Today, we'll see views of Lake Michigan from 100 feet above, and from up close, which means a lot of stairs. Den Gorge Nature Preserve is located about 30 minutes from downtown Milwaukee. This 73-acre nature preserve was added to the Ozaukee County Park system in 2002. The preserve is open to hunting, so keep that in mind when planning a fall visit. The trails here are generally wide, flat, and well maintained. There's even an accessible trail, the Lion's Den Trail, and I met a group enjoying the trail in wheelchairs. Den Gorge is home to some of the last undeveloped bluff land in the area. With around 1 mile of shoreline, Lion's Den's 100-foot bluffs provide ample opportunity to enjoy views of Lake Michigan. After the initial section along the edge of the bluff trail moves inland and into the woods a bit, but it does offer a couple of additional overlooks as we follow it north along the shore. As we approach the stairs to the beach, we reach another of the preserve's highlights. This bridge over the gorge gives us a view from above. It's worth taking the stairs down to the beach if you can. But keep in mind that every step down means a step back up on the return trip. One of the cool things about Lion's Den is that you can take a different path on the way back. I hiked the Gorge Loop and the Cedar Loop before making my way back to the south on the Lion's Den Trail. After finishing a loop around most of the preserve, there was one more stop I wanted to make, to take in a couple more bluff top views on the gentian walk. If you're wondering, a gentian is a plant often having violet or vivid blue trumpet-shaped flowers. Crossing the boardwalk on the way out reminded me to remind you that Lion's Den is a great place for bird watching, and it borders a U.S. Fish and Wildlife waterfowl production area.
Plenty of room for parking, but even on a weekday afternoon in November, there are quite a few cars here. So as you can probably imagine, on a nice weekend day, this place is absolutely packed.